There is a common problem with the Vauxhall diesel engine, normally relating to the airflow sensor. Most just replace the airflow sensor to inevitably find it hasn't fixed the fault. This is because there is a difference in pressure in the inlet system between the air filter and the turbocharger. If you look to the right hand side of the engine, down near the exhaust, there is an intercooler pipe, and you can see it is clearly split, causing the airflow sensor fault. The solution is to replace the intercooler pipe that is readily available. It just unclips at the top, and the clip at the bottom will need removing and replacing with the replacement pipe. You can see how bad it's split here, causing the engine light to come on and more than likely causing a lag in performance. So here's the new pipe with the new Jubilee clip on the bottom, and then just pushing securely, the hose at the top will snap into place. So now just delete the fault codes, road test, and make sure everything's all good. Have you been trying to fix this fault for a while? Why don't you leave us a comment below? These things can sometimes be a pain to find. Maybe you've replaced this part and it hasn't fixed it. Why don't you let us know? This has been How to Fix It. Please, why don't you give us a like and hit that subscribe button on the right hand side. If you like this video, there's plenty more to see. Check out a few of these videos here.